Morning students. Today we will start with our next chapter, that is chapter number 7, multiplication and division of fraction. In the previous chapter we have learned addition and subtraction of fraction, and in this chapter we will learn multiplication and division of fraction. So let's start. How we have to do, just take a look. Here we will start with exercise 7a. Here some of the questions are given to you in multiplications. So see how we have done. See here. So look here. Here the question is given. Write the product in the simplest form. The first question is question number 3, and here it is given 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Always remember, when we are multiplying or dividing any of the fraction, so first step is to reduce the fraction if it is possible. If it is possible to reduce it with any table, then reduce it, otherwise simply multiply it. Here we can see the table of 7, 3 and 5. All these three numbers are not at all divisible together in any of the table. 7 और 3, 5 किसी भी टेबल में साथ में नहीं आएंगे. So simply what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerator with the numerator. 7 3s are 21, and denominator is not given here, so we will keep it as 1. So 1 5s are 5. Answer is 21 upon 5. Now we can convert it into mixed fraction. Here we know in the table of 5, 4 times 20 will come. 5 4s are 20, and 21 में से यदि 20 माइनस करेंगे तो 1 will become its remainder. So 4 1 upon 5 is the answer for this question. Now next question is 6 multiplied by 1 7 upon 8. Now the next question is question number 4, 6 multiplied by 1 7 upon 8. So here first of all this is given in the mixed fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. So 6 we will keep as it is. Then 8 1s are 8 plus 7, that is 15 upon 8, and 8 as denominator. Now the fraction is 6 multiplied by 15 upon 8. As I told you, first of all, if it is possible to reduce the fraction, then we will reduce it first. So here we can see table of 2 will divide 6 and 8 both. दोनों ही नंबर 2 की टेबल में डिवाइड होते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, रिड्यूस हमेशा एक न्यूमरेटर और एक डिनोमिनेटर होता है. यहाँ ये न्यूमरेटर है, ये डिनोमिनेटर है, तो इन दोनों को 2 की टेबल से हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं या फिर डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. रिड्यूस मतलब डिवाइड करना. सो 2 की टेबल में 6 आता है 3 टाइम्स और 2 की टेबल में 8 आता है 4 टाइम्स. अब 4 और 3 को हम और रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते, ना ही 4 और 15 को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. रिड्यूस हमेशा एक न्यूमरेटर और एक डिनोमिनेटर ही होते हैं. तो यहाँ 15 and 4 इज नॉट डिविजिबल एंड 3 and 4 इज ऑल्सो नॉट डिविजिबल. तो बस अब आपको क्या करना है, न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय न्यूमरेटर. 3 15s are 45. Now 4, here no denominator is given, that means 1. 4 1s are 4. Now 45 upon 4 is the answer, and we can convert it into mixed fraction. अब mixed fraction करने के लिए आपको 4 को 45 में डिवाइड लगाना है. तो 4 11s are 44, एंड एक रिमाइंडर बचेगा, वो आ जाएगा न्यूमरेटर की जगह. तो 11 1 upon 4 is the mixed fraction for this answer. Now come to the question number 7. Question is given 22 multiplied by 13 upon 33. So 22 multiplied by 13 upon 33. Here 22 and 33 both are divisible in the table of 11. 11 2s are 22 and 11 3s are 33. अब ये दोनों डिवाइड हो गए. Now 13 and 3 is not divisible, and 2 and 3 is also not divisible. So leave it here and we will multiply 2 and 13. 13 2s are 26. and 3 ones are 3. So 26 upon 3 is the answer. Now make it into mixed fraction. 3 की टेबल में 26 नहीं आएगा, लेकिन 3 8s are 24 एंड 24 के बाद 26 के लिए 2 रिमाइंडर बचेगा. 24 plus 2 is 26. So 8 2 upon 3 is the mixed fraction for this question. Now the next question is question number 8. 75 multiplied by 19 upon 100. Now here we can see 75 and 100 are divisible in the table of 25. 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. Now इनमें से अब कोई सा भी नंबर रिड्यूस नहीं होगा. 19 and 4 is also not divisible. 3 and 4 is also not divisible. So simply multiply 3 and 19. 19 3s are 57 and 4 as it is. Now इनको डिवाइड लगाएंगे. 4 14s are 56 and 1 remainder that will become the numerator. So 14 1 upon 4 is the mixed fraction. Now the next question is question number 11. 90 multiplied by 14 upon 105. Now out of these numbers 90 and 105 is divisible in the table of 15. 15 6s are 90 and 15 7s are 105. And this is also divisible. 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. अब नीचे डिनोमिनेटर कुछ भी नहीं है. न्यूमरेटर में 6 and 2 अवेलेबल हैं. तो 6 2s are 12. आंसर इज 12 ओनली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. 110 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 21 अपॉन 66. तो 21 and 66 पहले इनको डिवाइड लगा देते हैं. 3 7s are 21 and 3 22s are 66. Now 22 1s are 22 and 22 5s are 110. तो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में आप सिर्फ 1 है, इसको हम छोड़ देंगे. एंड 5 and 7 is there in the numerator. So 5 7s are 35. So 35 is the answer for this question. This is your homework from exercise 7A. Complete it today in the homework copy. Thank you. That's it for today.